In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce names in Slack. This is a convenient feature that helps you manage name pronunciations within this popular work, management and productivity tool, ensuring that communication within your team is smooth and respectful. With that in mind, let's dive into the process. First, we'll start by heading over to the Slack website. Visit your browser and type in the address for Slack's homepage, where you'll find a host of productivity tools to help streamline your work. Once you're there, you should see an option to sign in. For ease of access today, we'll use the sign in with Google option. This method is particularly useful if you're already accustomed to accessing your accounts through Google, making the process seamless and saving you the trouble of remembering another password. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. The dashboard is your main workspace within Slack, serving as a hub for all your activities. From here, you can access channels, messages, and files, among other things. But for our purposes today, we want to focus on accessing your profile. Look around the interface and find the profile section where your personal settings are located. Clicking on your profile is the next step, and this will bring you to a new menu where you can view and edit your information. Now, with your profile open, navigate to find the edit button. This is usually easy to locate on your profile page and allows you to modify any user settings or personal information visible to your workspace. By selecting Edit, you engage with your profile's customization options, a handy feature if you need to update details like your name, email address, or profile picture. Once in the Edit section, locate the name pronunciation feature. This feature is invaluable, particularly in diverse teams where name pronunciations may vary across different cultures and languages. It allows you to provide a guide on how your name should be pronounced, reducing misunderstandings and fostering a more inclusive environment. Simply input or adjust your name pronunciation as needed. This can make a significant difference, especially in remote teams where verbal communication over video and calls is prevalent. When you're happy with the way everything looks and sounds, make sure to save your changes to ensure that everyone in your workspace can see the updated pronunciation. And there you have it. This efficient little guide should help you and your team communicate better through correct name pronunciations within Slack. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance interaction and demonstrate respect for everyone's unique identities. Thanks for watching and happy slacking.